Hello there. I am Becky Schnekser, an elementary school science teacher in Virginia with a passion for getting students involved in their study of science rather than just being receivers of content information, which is truly the inspiration behind the Water Project unit. It is incredibly important that students see themselves and become scientists and explorers in action, which is why you will see this unit is filled with participatory and citizen science opportunities. Water is something that is important to all living things and is a great way to introduce or enhance the concept with students that the world is one interconnected place where actions of us all influence so many things like water quality, climate change, sea level rise, and quality of life worldwide. I am hoping that this unit empowers students to take action in the world around them with the help of educators like you. So what are you waiting for? Take a dive into this Water Project unit and foster the change makers of the future today.